by Savica. Gloves are on. This slope coming down has frozen a bit more, I swear it. It's like a bobsleigh run now. See if I can slide my way down. Oh, it's slippery. People working in the churches and other things going on. But yeah, it's a nice area. And I'm going to head now a bit further on towards the King's Gate. Whoa, whoa, nearly got me. Whoa, nearly got me there. Goodness, look at that. Wow, that has really come in. I'm going to get over here just in case. That is, oh, there we go. My goodness, that really came in there for a second. Thought I was about to get my feet wet. Oh, that was close. Nearly lost my camera. I was taking a bus ride back from St. Paul to Nice, and about halfway you come across this place that I'm in right now, Cagnes-sur-Mer it is called. It is just like England with this weather. I have joined a walking tour. It's going to be hard to video and, whoa, there we go. It's going to be hard to video and listen at the same time, especially while it's raining. So I think what I'll do is I'll enjoy the tour. It is very dark in the tower. There is a pouch. That was my head. It is very low in some of these places. Okay, see if we can continue on without causing myself too many injuries. Lucky I got my cap on. I've just entered the cathedral itself. It costs €7, I think, to get in, if I remember rightly. It's only 2 minutes ago, but I've forgotten. The cavern opened. Let's wait for that air conditioning noise to subside. There we go. The cavern opened its doors for the first time in 1957 as a jazz venue, but by the early 1960s it had become... The cavern opened its doors for the first time in 1957 as a jazz venue, but then the cavern opened its doors for the first... Luckily, here on Comino, the whole island is designated a nature reserve, so there is no hunting allowed on the island full stop, which is... Oh, caught the camera on a branch. Which is definitely a positive for me. I'm not a fan of hunting. Now let me give you a little bit of information as well on the weather while I'm here. Good morning from Fuerteventura. So I thought I would give you a little bit of information on the island itself. Fuerteventura has a population of about 120,000 people. It has an 80... So I think what we're going to do now is head... Dearie me, lost my voice again. Well, there is the bridge. I have currently got, I think, a load of condensation inside the lens, which is not good. I can actually see it. Not sure what to do about it. I'm hoping that it does just go away, but at the moment it looks like the whole place is misty and foggy, which it actually isn't. Especially when I look into the light. See over there, we go.
It's not getting any better. I wonder if I should turn the temperature down.
Ever since I took it out in the rain earlier, at the first little hamlet I stopped at. It has now a sort of condensation patch right in the centre of the lens, and it's inside, so I can't do anything about it. Probably just gonna, I don't know, I've read on an article that if you kind of just let it acclimatise again and maybe add a little bit of heat in the mix, it might kind of dissolve the condensation, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. Hope it's the first outing, first trip with this camera, so I don't want to write it off on my first trip.